How to use the ONAIL Tornado #1 Nail Dust Collector Professional Guide. Unboxing and accessories. The charging head, the charging cable, and the collector itself. You get one hot air cotton filter and one disposable pre-filter included. Plus 30 disposable pre-filters. Everything you need to get started. Pre-use, setup. Filter installation. First, open the top lid so you can see the filter compartment. Place the hot air cotton filter inside. Press it down until it's secure. Then add the disposable pre-filter. Make sure it doesn't cover the lid connector. All 2 layers must go in the right order. Then close the lid. Plug in the Type-C cable. It's now ready to power on. Power on and operation demo. Press the power button. The display and ambient light turn on together. The screen shows your suction level and suction decay rate in real time. Let your client's hand rest on the sloped surface. Align the middle of the nail with the finger line. This is the sweet spot. As you file, the airflow wraps around the dust and pulls it straight in. Your station stays clean. Adjust the suction anytime. Gentle or turbo, it's just one touch. Smart alerts and filter maintenance. When the suction decay rate drops to 20%, a warning appears on the display with an alert sound. It's time to clean the filters. Power off the device first, then open the lid and take out the disposable pre-filter. For the disposable pre-filter, just shake off the dust or swap in a fresh one. For the cotton filter, tap it gently to remove the dust, then place it back. Power it back on. Suction decay rate returns to 100%. Ready to go.
ONAIL, the apple of nails.